Be a great guy to talk about this because you know all about operating a company, chief financial officer for a while. You bought back $3 billion of stock in the third quarter. You're raising the amount that you're going to buy back for the year to $11 billion worth of stock from $10 billion. Why are you doing that?
Look, we believe very strongly that excess cash belongs to share owners. It's not our cash, it's theirs, and it needs to go back to them. Our share owners, 40% of them are individuals, another 40% are index funds. So they represent pension interests, retired firefighters, nurses, doctors, teachers, and we are committed to ensure the cash stays in their hands, not ours.
So when you see it politicized, and I'm thinking about Senator Elizabeth Warren, she's been on this show many times. We've had this discussion. I don't know if you were watching when we did, but she says it's as simple as a company wanting to manipulate the stock market to raise its price, I assume because CEOs have some compensation tied to the stock price going up. But when you hear that and you're planning on making an announcement, you're going to raise your buyback, does it enter into your thinking? Do you just shake your head that corporate balance sheets, sometimes you issue stock, sometimes you buy back stock, depending on interest rates, depending on whether acquisitions make sense, depending on valuations of your targets. There's myriad reasons to either issue stock or buy it back. What do you think when someone in such an important position has such a uninformed opinion about why a company would do that?
Look, we stay true to our objective to return cash to shareholders on a regular basis. If you look over the last 5 years, we've returned $83 billion, 130% of earnings. And I personally view it as a contribution to society, not a deduction from society. Again, we're putting cash in the pockets of individuals, of retirees, and what's the alternative? To hold it in a bank making very little interest?
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.